Tesla just issued a recall for over 10,000 Powerwall 2 batteries due to overheating and fire risks. And suppose you have one of these batteries in your home, you need to watch this entire video because I'm going to give you the full breakdown. What happened, why it happened, what you should do if you have a Powerwall 2, and most importantly, what this means for anyone considering a home battery system today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Integrate Sun. So, let's start with the facts. According to Solar Power World's report published just this week, Tesla has received over 22 reports of malfunctioning and overheating Powerwall 2 batteries. Of those 22 cases, 6 reported smoke coming from the battery, 5 reported actual fires. Several resulted in minor property damage. Now, before anyone panics, this is 22 incidents out of over 1 million Powerwalls that Tesla has deployed since 2016. So we're talking about roughly 0.002% of all units. But even one fire is one too many when we're talking about something mounted on your home. According to the recall notice, the issue is that lithium battery cells in certain Powerwall 2 systems stop functioning during normal use, resulting in overheating and something called thermal runaway. Now, thermal runaway is when one battery cell overheats and catches fire. The heat from that fire is intense enough to cause the next battery cell to ignite, which then causes the next one to ignite, and the next one, basically creating a chain reaction. The whole unit can go up in flames within minutes. And obviously, when you have a battery mounted on the side of your house or in your garage, you do not want this happening. This is a legitimate safety concern that needs to be taken seriously. But here's what I want you to understand. Thermal runaway isn't unique to Tesla. This has happened with other battery manufacturers, and it all comes down to one thing, the chemistry of the battery. And so let's talk about what's actually inside these batteries, because this is where the story gets really important. The Powerwall 2 uses what's called NMC chemistry. That stands for nickel manganese cobalt. This is the same battery chemistry that was used in early electric vehicles and many consumer electronics. Why did NMC become popular? 3 main reasons. 1. Higher energy density. You could pack more energy into a smaller, lighter package. For electric vehicles trying to maximize range, this was huge. 2. Faster charging and discharging. NMC batteries can charge and discharge very quickly, which is critical for EVs that need to accelerate rapidly or charge fast at charging stations. 3. Better performance in cold weather. NMC batteries handle cold temperatures better than some alternatives. So on paper, NMC looked like the perfect choice. And for a while, it was the industry standard. But there was a problem, and Tesla isn't the first company to run into it. Let me give you some context. A few years ago, LG had to recall both their first and second generation ReSU home batteries because of the exact same issue, battery cells overheating and catching fire. More recently, Generac, another major player in home battery storage, faced recalls and lawsuits for overheating issues in their early PWR cell systems, also related to battery chemistry concerns. So this isn't a Tesla problem, this is an NMC chemistry problem that has affected multiple manufacturers across the industry. And that's exactly why the entire industry has been shifting to a different chemistry over the past few years. LFP, or lithium iron phosphate. Now, I'm not going to bore you with advanced chemistry, but here's what you need to know about the advantages of LFP. 1. There's a much lower risk of thermal runaway. Even if one cell has a problem, it's far less likely to cause a chain reaction. 2. It has a longer lifespan. 3. They have a better high-temperature performance. 4. They are more cost-effective. LFP batteries don't require expensive cobalt, making them cheaper to manufacture, and that's exactly why Tesla moved to LFP chemistry with the Powerwall 3. Enphase uses LFP in their IQ batteries. Basically, every major manufacturer has made the switch. By the way, if you want a detailed comparison of Tesla Powerwall 3 versus Enphase IQ batteries, both of which use LFP chemistry, we did an entire video breaking that down. I'll link it in the description. All right, if you're a homeowner with the Tesla Powerwall 2, here's your action plan. Step 1, check your Tesla app. Open your Tesla app and check the status of your Powerwall. Tesla has already remotely deactivated affected units and drained them down as a safety precaution. If your Powerwall shows as offline or disabled, it's likely part of the recall. Step 2, check for official recall notification. Tesla is contacting affected homeowners directly. Check your email in the Tesla app for official recall notices. About 10,500 units are part of this recall, all manufactured at Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada between November 2020 and December 2022. Step 3. schedule your free replacement. Tesla is replacing affected batteries at no cost to the homeowner. This includes the new battery, labor, and installation. The standard replacement is another Powerwall 2 unit that's not affected by the manufacturing defect. However, and this is important, some homeowners are reporting that Tesla is offering Powerwall 3 upgrades in certain situations. So when you're contacted about your replacement, ask specifically about eligibility for a Powerwall 3 upgrade through warranty programs or recall options. Now, I want to be clear, we're not saying you should panic or that Powerwall 2 is unsafe when it's working correctly. But if you're already going through a replacement anyway, it's worth having a conversation with your installer about your options. As Tesla Powerwall certified installers, we install both Powerwall 2 and Powerwall 3, depending on what makes sense for each homeowner's specific situation. Your risk of having a house fire from faulty wiring or a kitchen accident is exponentially higher than having a problem with a home battery. But that doesn't mean we should ignore safety concerns. The fact that Tesla, LG, and Generac have all issued recalls shows that these companies are taking safety seriously and doing the responsible thing. A recall isn't a sign that the technology is bad, it's a sign that manufacturers are being proactive about fixing problems when they're discovered. If you want to learn more about safer LFP-based battery options for your home, get a free, no-obligation quote from Integrate Sun. We'll walk you through your options, whether that's Tesla Powerwall 3, Enphase, or another system, and design something that fits your needs and your budget. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.